by Jennifer, this is Arish, and this is Karan. In this video, you are going to learn a step called KUPE. KUPE is from Ghana and it was created by Incredible Ziggy. In order to do this tutorial, I have a small chat with Incredible Ziggy, and this is the information which he has given about the step. KUPE, the term describes fear in a Ghanaian saying. So he has created this step to tell people to dance away the fear, and it's like a warning dance. Apart from this dance step comes under Afro beats and Osonto, which is again a dance style from Ghana. So let's get into the step. This is how it goes. You're gonna step onto your toe and you're going to push your pelvic forward. So your pelvic goes boom, tap. Yeah? So before that, Adish is going to face that side and Karan is going to face back for your convenience. So you're going to push your hip forward and you're going to clap your hands this way or like this. So basically you have to clap your hands. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Yeah, so that's your one count, and you're going to step back with your right leg and you're going to push your pelvic forward and you're going to bounce twice. Now when you do the bounce, you're going to show peace, which is this. So you're going to do peace with your hands and you're going to bounce twice. Yeah, ready? Let's go. Ready? 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So remember, this is a warning dance, so you're not supposed to do like very sweet. So it's going to be like boom and cha cha, boom and cha cha. Yeah? So we'll do the variations with counts once. Ready? 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's KUPE for you. Hope you all like the video. Subscribe to our channel for more Afro and dancehall tutorials every week. And stay tuned. And wait, don't forget to like and comment below.
Thanks. Right.